Hello everyone, this is Rahul Sirs here. It's my great pleasure to welcome you all again to Dear Rahul Sir classes. Today we are going to learn about types of interrogative sentences or kinds of interrogative sentences or how many types of interrogative sentences having in our English grammars. Before we get into the lessons, we have to revisions about sentences, definitions of sentences, part of sentences or kinds of sentences. So be ready with pen and notebook. If you find anything new, note it down as soon as possible. As you know, by meaning a sentence is a complete thought. By function, a sentence consists of a subject and a predicate. Then what will be the complete sentence definition? A sentence is full predications containing a subject plus a predicate with a finite form. Understood? Then part of sentences. Basically, every sentence having say four part: subject, predicate, object and complement, and try to understand by following examples. There having say few examples. Look at the example. Simple sentence: my canary sings. Here my canary is denotes subject and sings denotes predicate. Question: does your canary sings? Your canary also denotes subject and does sings also denotes predicate. Negative sentences: my canary does not talk. Here my canary is denotes subject and does not talks is also denotes predicate. With adverb: my canary sings beautifully. Here my canary denotes subject and sings beautifully denotes predicate. With direct object: my canary sings songs. My canary denotes subject, sings songs denotes predicate. With indirect object: my canary sings to me. My canary denotes subject and sings to me denotes predicate. Understood? Next, kind of sentence according to the sentence meanings or functions. According to sentence meaning or functions of sentences, there are 5 kind of sentences having in our English grammar. First one, assertive sentence. Second, interrogative sentences. Third, imperative sentence. Fourth, optative sentence. And fifth, exclamatory sentences. And next kind of sentences according to their sentence structure. There are 4 kind of sentences having according to their sentence structure. First one, simple sentence. Second one, compound sentence. Third one, complex sentence. And fourth one, compound and complex sentences. Understood? And now today's topic, types of interrogative sentences. Basically there are 4 types of interrogative sentences having in our English grammars: yes no type, alternative type, WH interrogative type and tag questions. Yes no interrogative questions are questions that can be answered with a yes or a no response. Understood? Example: are you ready to go? Here answers what will come? Yes, I am ready to go. So these type of questions are called yes no interrogative questions. Understood? And alternative interrogative. Alternative interrogative questions are questions that provide for 2 or more alternative answers. Example: would you prefer chocolate or vanilla ice creams? Understood? So they are having say alternative answers as your choice. So these kind of questions are called alternative interrogative questions. Next, WH interrogative questions. WH interrogative sentences begins with a WH word and call for an open-ended answers. They begins with what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why and how. And the answers can be a simple response or complex explanations. Example, what are you doing? So questions are defined and answer will be the descriptive type, and here complex explanation. Understood? So these kind of sentences are called WH interrogative questions. And last one, tagged questions. Tagged questions are questions attached or tagged onto the ending of a declarative statement. They transform a declarative sentences into an interrogative sentences. Example, you live in the city, don't you? So don't you a significance of question. So when you will see just like a question, these questions are denotes tag questions. And now try to understand by giving example. First one, yes or no questions. Will it snow this year? What will be the answers? Yes, yeah, no. Is she coming to the party? What will be the answer? Yes or no. Have you been here before? Did John eat an apple? Are you at school now? So every questions having say answers yes or no type. So just kind of questions are denotes yes no questions. Understood? And now alternative questions. Alternative interrogatives are questions that allow for two or more alternatives or different answers. In other words, you are providing a choice for the listeners. Would you like vanilla or chocolate ice cream? So here answers what will be providing a choice for the listeners. Understood? So just like of questions are denotes alternative interrogative. Understood? Now WH question. And it is very easy, and everyone know about that. When a questions will start a WH word and ending having say question mark, just kind of questions are called WH question. Understood? Who ate the apple? What movie did you see? Why are not you coming to the party? When have you been here before? Where are you now? So WH questions may start with any interrogative pronouns, and the answers to WH question is never will be the yes or no type. Understood? And now last one, tag question. Tag question are question attach or tag onto the ending of a statement. They transform a declarative sentences into an interrogative sentences. Like, you live in the city, don't you? You need to get going now, don't you? There is a game on today, is not there? You are coming to the party, are not you? So just like questions are called your denotes tag questions. Understood? Thank you for watching this video and subscribe it for regular updates.